Hello. We are live. Okay. We are going to do the daily problem today. Okay. I've loaded this is the daily problem of the today, 29th January. Minimum cost to convert string by I1. Okay. So let's check the constraint is 10 to 5. We are given 2, 3. Cost length, original length, change length 2000. Okay. And cost will be less than 10.6. Okay, minimum cost to convert. You are given two zero indexed strings, source and target, both of length and consisting of lowercase English letters. You are also given two zero indexed character arrays, original and changed, and an array cost where cost I represent the cost of changing the original cost I represent the changing the cost I represent the cost of changing the characters original I to character change I. Okay, from original we are going to a change character with a cost I. You start with a string source. In one operation you can pick pick a character X from the string and change it to Y with the cost Z. If there exists an index J such that cost J equal to Z and original cost J equal to X, and change change J equal to Y. Okay, cost J equal to Z, original character equal to X, and change character Y. Return the minimum cost to convert the string source. Return the minimum cost to convert the source to the target using any number of operations. If it is impossible to convert source to target, return -1. Note that there may exist indices I and J such that original J equal to original I and change J equal to the change I. Okay, they can be duplicate of characters, duplicate of pair. So I will always pick the minimum pair that will have minimum change cost. Okay, let's see the example. ABCD, target ACB, original and changed cost. Okay, for this case we have make only 28 operations. It cost us 28 operations. Okay, to convert the string ABCD to string ACB, we first character, since zeroth character are same, we won't do anything and move to index 1 where B, the character is B but we need C, and somehow I need to reach from B to C. First we convert B to C at a cost of 5. Okay, and it is done. And is it minimum? Yep, 5 to. And for index 2, C to B, is there any direct? Yeah, I think at index in the original and change we can see the third character to be C and B to be cost of 5, but we don't do it. We first change to C to E, change C to E from the at a cost 1 from the index 4 C to E, and we change C to E and E to B at a cost 2. Change the value at index 3 from now the character at third position is same. We will move to last characters. Since D and E are not equal, we need to move from D to E anyhow. And is it possible? Yeah, from the test case it's possible. D to E, we can go direct from D to E from the last index of the original character and the last index of the change character. The spay will cost us a 20, so the total cost is 5 plus 1 plus 20, 28. We can see that we can go directly, or we can form the pair directly, or we form a pair with a sequence in between them. And we want to minimize it. I think it's kind of a graph problem. We can model it to a graph problem, and what we do is what we do is we use the extra algorithm, and since source length is about 10 to the power 5, we cannot brute force, since हेलो, हाँ ध्रुव,
जाके आ गया कॉलेज?
नहीं, ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी मेरे को, वो मैंने प्रोविजनल डाल दिया है।
प्रोविजनल डाल दिया?
हाँ।
अवेलेबल है ना? मैं
क्या?
डेटा साइंस है।
तेरा हो गया डेटा साइंस का?
मशीन लर्निंग राउंड था, मतलब वो कैगल में कंपटीशन के अंदर।
ओह,
है ना?
हाँ।
तो चीटिंग करके कर तो लिया।
हाँ।
अब 31 को है ना टेक्निकल असेसमेंट है।
अच्छा,
वहाँ जाके
अरे यार, कोई ना, वहाँ पे तो क्या करेगा अब?
और उसी के अंदर ना उसी दिन ना बता देंगे क्या रिजल्ट है, और उसी दिन इंटरव्यू भी है।
ओह डैम भाई।
तो मतलब अगर आदमी कोई बच के निकल जाए तो वही दबोच लो उसको।
और क्या पूछा मशीन लर्निंग में? वो कैकल पे हुआ था।
मशीन लर्निंग मॉडल बनाया था ना, उसका जो रिजल्ट था ना वो भेजना था।
अच्छा, क्या मतलब, क्या क्वेश्चन था?
क्या पता भाई।
अब हो ही देख।
था कि एनोमली डिटेक्शन करनी थी।
किस पे? कौन से डाटा पे?
सेंसर डाटा पे।
सेंसर डाटा पे, अच्छा।
अब समझ नहीं आ रहा यार, कैसे क्लियर होगा?
पता नहीं भाई, तो हो जाए तो बढ़िया है, पर भैंस के एमएल भाई ना भाई। मॉडल बना रहे हो तुम? मॉडल बना रहे हो तुम?
मैंने ऐसे धंधा बनाया था, मैं तो चीटिंग करके करा था।
हाँ, तो एमएल वाले को तो मॉडल बनाना सीखना होगा फिर।
अभी अंदर जाके भी तो सिखाते हैं यार। अभी जैसे मेरी यहाँ पे भी ट्रेनिंग चल रही है।
अरे मशीन लर्निंग थोड़ा वैसा नीश है ना, तो वो नहीं हो पाता, थोड़ा टफ है ना मशीन लर्निंग। तो कितना
पूछेंगे, मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
कितना ही सिखाए हैं?
मुझे तो समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या पूछेंगे। तेरे को क्या लगता है टेक्निकल असेसमेंट में?
आई डोंट नो ब्रो।
तेरा हुआ था टेक्निकल असेसमेंट?
तो मैं तो एमएल थोड़ी है। हाँ नहीं, टेक्निकल नहीं हुआ था असेसमेंट, नहीं तो मैं भी निकल जाता।
चल ठीक है, यही बताना था मुझे।
नाइस। कौन सी कंपनी का है?
अरे वो सेलेबल
में। अच्छा, सही है।
हाँ,
हो जाए।
शायद आदेश आएगा आज। हाँ, सिंटैक्स में क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस के लिए।
हाँ,
शायद आदेश आएगा क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस के लिए।
अच्छा, आदेश आया। वो टाटा का छोड़ रहे हो?
नहीं, टाटा का तो छोड़ दिया था उसने पहले।
क्यों?
उसका आया शायद सिंटैक्स के लिए।
क्यों छोड़ दिया?
गुजरात में था ना भाई, खर्चा नहीं निकल रहा था।
अच्छा, कितना कमा रहा था? 6 तो कमा रहा था ना, वो बोला था तूने।
क्या
एलपी है? कितना कमा रहा था?
16 आ रहे थे भाई, 16 करोड़।
कम ही है भाई फिर।
तो फिर बोला घर से मंगाने भी पड़ते थे।
यार ये भी तो हो सकता है वो हो जाए, मतलब वो ट्रेनिंग पीरियड में था या पूरा ही?
फिर ट्रेनिंग के बाद 18 था।
ट्रेनिंग, अरे यार ये क्या मतलब हुआ? 30-40 तो देनी चाहिए यार, 30-40।
वही तो कह रहा हूँ। एक तो यार हैदराबाद में सही है यार, वॉकिंग इतने निकलते हैं ना, दिल्ली में भी सही है, गुड़गांव में
हाँ
इतने ना वॉकिंग निकलते हैं ना, अपने यहाँ नहीं निकलते यार।
हाँ ये तो है।
दीदी से बात की थी क्या इस बारे में?
अरे दे दिया था दीदी को, दीदी ने कर दिया है क्या पता नहीं, बात ही नहीं।
अच्छा,
देख
मिल
तो
आए थे क्योंकि मेरे पास।
देख तो रही थी वो।
अच्छा,
मैंने
एक
तो
साल
बोल।
इन लोगों ने कहा है कि ना लैपटॉप और लेके आओ फुल चार्ज।
हाँ मेरे को भी वो लैपटॉप लेके जाना पड़ेगा मेरे को तो ट्रेनिंग में।
ट्रेनिंग में खुद का लैपटॉप लेके जाना पड़ेगा?
हाँ
ये नहीं देंगे?
नहीं मेरे को तो लग नहीं रहा ये वाले देंगे।
अरे यार ये तो बहुत ही अजीब कंपनी है यार, ये तो
वही नल्लापंती करती है यार।
है, बहुत ही पैसा बचा। भाई कितनी चिंदी चोर है भाई। हैं?
पता है
भाई,
सेल्स
बहुत ही
फोर्स भी
चिंदी
वो
चोर
है, सेल्स फोर्स भी फुल स्टैक की तरह ही है।
अच्छा, पढ़ा रहे हैं क्या अभी? अच्छा तू पढ़ रहा है क्या उसके बारे में?
नहीं खुद कल देखा था चैट जीपीटी में, एक जावा की तरह एपेक्स लैंग्वेज आ जाता है फ्रंट एंड में, वो उनके खुद के HTML CSS आ जाते हैं, जावास्क्रिप्ट। बैक एंड में SQL आ जाती है, वो SOQL बोलते हैं। और और डेवऑप्स भी होता है इसका खुद का। हाँ हो गया बस, कंप्लीट फुल स्टैक।
सही है भाई।
भाई साहब
और
भाई यार नॉन टेक्निकल में घुस जाते हैं भाई, बोल रहा हूँ।
टेक्निकल में इतनी माथापड़ी, उसके बाद इतना कम दे रहे हैं, उनको तो गुस्सा आने लग रहा है।
हाँ जैसे रिजुल है मेरा कॉलेज का दोस्त, मतलब स्कूल का दोस्त, JSR से मैं, वो 50,000 कमा लेता है महीने। वो डेटा एनालिस्ट है वो भी।
डेटा एनालिस्ट है।
हाँ
तो यार मेरे को बात करानी थी ना।
बात करा देते हैं कभी भी। अभी तो
अभी फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे में छुट्टी, सैटरडे संडे छुट्टी होती है, तब करते हैं।
हाँ और वो जा रहा है रात वाले सेंटर पे, कॉल सेंटर।
हाँ जा रहा हूँ ना भाई।
क्या हो रहा है?
मैं आता हूँ 5:30 बजे, आके 6 बजे तक सोता हूँ, 2 बजे आँख खुलती है, 4:40 पे वापस आ जाती है, जाओ वापस।
ये दिन की बात कर रहे हैं क्या, 2 बजे को, है ना?
हाँ मतलब सुबह 6 बजे आता हूँ, 5:30 बजे आता हूँ। हाँ 6 बजे सो जाता हूँ। हाँ 2 बजे उठता हूँ। हाँ 4:40 तक वो वापस आ जाती है कैब। हाँ उसके बेड में बाद चले जाता हूँ। अरे यार इन्फिनाइट ग्राइंड हो रहा है तेरा। इन्फिनाइट ग्राइंड है। मैं सोचा था साला पढ़ने का भी टाइम नहीं मिल रहा। हाँ और ये मतलब क्या और क्या सिखा रहे हैं? मेडिकल बिलिंग। अच्छा कंपनी तो अच्छी है, ऑफिस तो बहुत तगड़ा है। हाँ लेकिन क्या ऑफिस का चाटूंगा क्या? पैसे ही नहीं होंगे थे। हाँ टफ तो है वैसे, मुश्किल तो आती है इसको पढ़ने में, तो पढ़ा रहे हैं। हाँ इजी तो नहीं है। सही है, तो पहली बार कुछ चीज़ को इजी नहीं बोल रहे हैं, तो इसके ML डेटा साइंस सब पकड़ के बैठ जाते हैं। अरे इसमें क्या कोड रटा रहे हैं। हाँ उसमें दिक्कत आ रही है, क्या क्वेश्चन और पूछ लेते हैं। क्या जो पढ़ा है? अच्छा डेटा एनालिस्ट में कैसे लगा था, फ्रेशर से लगा था या गैप था इसके? नहीं वो लग गया था भाई, वो बहुत ही चालू आदमी है, मतलब ऐसे काम में ढूंढ लेता कुछ भी। इसकी मतलब वो भी है थोड़ी है। इसका पहला प्लान था कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाना था, तो वहाँ पे वीज़ा रिजेक्ट हुआ। हाँ
वो तो हो गया था, लोन वोन का सैंक्शन भी हो गया था, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ राजस्थान ही दे रही थी पैसे।
हाँ
तो लोन वोन सैंक्शन है, बस वीज़ा रिजेक्ट हो गया।
कैसे हुआ?
पता नहीं यार, थोड़ा दुख है उसके।
अच्छा ठीक है, फिर सैटरडे संडे अगर फ्री हो तो बात कराना मेरी, कैसे क्या है किया
ठीक
उसने।
है, हाँ बता।
ठीक है,
हाँ
चल ठीक है।
ठीक है, बाय। Hello, let's get back to the question. So we are going to make an adjacency list, and since there can be multiple pairs, AB says that can have multiple cost can be k different cost. I need only the cost that is minimum, and adjacency list is going to be directed, and if I am able to do that, the complexity still be n into complexity of Dijkstra, that is V cross E. Notes and V cross E. Let's see, the length of the is around 2 into 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 3 and 10 to the power 5. Still V cross E, right? Vertices and edges. But there can be at most 26 cross 26 edges, right? Edges. If I think in the frame, there can be A to B, there can be 26 possibilities, and here 26 possibilities. And so this is, let's assume they are up to 100, now up to 50. Now let's 30, let's make it 100, 10 power 2, 10 power 5. It's around 10 power 5, 10 power 7. We can still make it optimized, right? Optimized. We can make this optimal by storing the intermediate results. Results somehow using a hash map. So this would be around 10 power 5 plus or I calculate first. I compute results from A to B using Dijkstra. So the complexity will be Dijkstra complexity plus iteration up to n. So this could be a linear could be linear. Okay. Okay, let's let's compute all pair. let's allow those. Okay, let's allow those. Okay, adjacency list, we need an array list of int of pay. Now int n equal array list of int, right? Array list, and in that array list we are forming an int. Now source and target and original length, and this is a string. This is an array, and for equal to 0 is less than m I plus plus, when the edge will be int u to v, original phi, v is equal to change of phi, comma char cost of phi, then adjacency dot get u minus. Okay, let me convert into an index value, subtract weight equal to, this is a heavy implementation, I think. Dot add v comma w, and we have prepared our adjacency list. Preparing adjacency list. Now I need to store the result, right? Distance array of this will be of 2D for 2D, right? This should be a 2D, right? Distance is equal to new int of 26 comma 26. Now I'm going to fill this array with integer dot max value. 126. Distance of Okay, this is going to be long. This will be a long. Public and public long. If it's not reachable, then we are from source to we are going to pick the source. We are going to return, right? Return -1, or we are not going to return anything, right? Don't store hide. We are not returning anything. We need a queue. We need a priority queue. This is going to be a integer. This will have an integer array in it. New and I need to pass in comparator one comma out return add new int of source comma cost. That cost will be of 0 from not empty. Let parent array parent node new. We are going to call the parent array. If p of 0 equal to destination, we are going to return we are going to store distance of p of distance of source destination to be equal to cost p of 1 and return or I am not returning anything. I'm still doing this. Okay. If p of this cost p of 1 is greater than cost of let's bring the cost of distance of so p of 1, then continue. So p of 1. Okay, I'm not storing any destination, right? I'm not storing here. We will int edge and adjacency dot get p of 1. This cost will be int c equal to w weight, additional weight is equal to ed of 1 plus p of 1. If p of 1 plus destination p of 1, okay, sorry, let's, the node will be int and node equal to edge of 1, edge of 0, p of 0, p of 1. If the current distance w is greater than or equal to distance of source comma node, we are going to continue not adding to the list since it's already computed. Else we are going to add the into the priority queue of w comma pq dot add and the weight of the current cost path, and we are going to update the source array comma n equal to the current cost. And still I am going to update here. I made an error here and error here, and this is going to be of p of 1. This is going to be a source. This is the destination of p of 1, p of 0. Destination of source is equal to p of 0, p of 1. If p of 1 is greater than or equal to distance of source of p of 0, we are going to continue. If edge of, since all the paths are loaded in the array, edge of adjacency p of 0, parent array, we are going to pick the edges. We are calculating the cost. What is the cost to reach the node and its neighbor or child, and I'm going to update it if the current weight is greater than the computed. It's going to be a long right, complete forgetting it. It's going to be a long array. There is a lot of loose conversions. Okay, this is going to be a long. and return. Let me going to return. We are not written anything though, that's safe. There is no destination, I think. There is no need of. What is the spelling of Dijkstra? Dijkstra. Dijkstra. Source. That's going to be a long. I don't need an integer here. Okay, let's see did we make any errors? Source length is correct since it's a string. It's a method. Adjacent list, we have created a adjacent list of list of ints. That's fine. And adjacency dot we have declared it, and m dot original length is an array. Yeah, original, and there's no syntax array, and distance array, long of distance array 2626. Fill with a long max value. If I equal to 0, I is less than m, I plus. We are iterating the original and the change array, inserting the edges. For u, I'm inserting b. With a weight w, cost I. That's fine. Cost of I, and running the extra. Okay, let me up to 26, not 26. Okay, the extra I made run if, and now at the end I'm counting operations. If source dot character I equal to a, y dot character target dot character I, x equal to y. So the character are both same. We are continuing, we are not doing anything. Source and target are completely fine. X and Y are the long max. Made a typo here. This should be small. Long max value equal to return minus 1L. Operation, we are adding the X and Y distance. And the extra, we use a priority queue by starting with a source with a 0 cost. What happened to this? Why? What happened? Okay. Now priority queue print, and that should be long. One typo, find. This is going to sort according to the weights, current weight. We start from a source. We are picking the edge, current edge that is having the minimum distance. This is the Dijkstra. If P of 1 is the weight of the current path is greater than equal to the before path that is processed, of distance of source, and P of 0 and converted to int, then we are continuing. We are not going to do it. We are not going to explore the path from it. We are updating the source and P of 1. I think I don't need to update this. This is updated in. Now P of 0 equal to n of w. N as the current neighbor, w is the weight of the current edge. P of 1 plus P of edge of 1, P of 0, and P of 0 should be an int. Since I am calling a long array, if w greater than or equal to distance and current distance is greater than to the distance that is before computed, then we are not going to add it to the priority queue. And next we are adding to priority queue and updating the distance array. Let's see, hope so there is no any other array. This kind of declaration we don't need and return. What? Okay, if I don't need and return and the semicolon. What happened? Arrays.fill distance of I. A long max value. PRIOR. Oh my god, what the hell is wrong with this? I am brand new priority queue. PRIORITYQUE, and this is the declaration of it. Why is it giving error? Type variable E. Okay, it uses an int, right? So I need to make it an long. Let's use ChatGPT. How to Comparator, yeah. Long dot compare. Okay, we are going to use an long compare. One. Cannot be converted. What is a new priority queue loss conversion? Add long and lossy conversion from long to int. Why is it? Yeah. I made an error here. New cannot infer new. Oh, should I? Oh, yeah. Let me copy this and paste it here. Let's see how is this going to work. I don't need this. I'm going to remove it. Okay, now it's ran, but well, now it's not performing the actual task I have given it. -1, why is giving -1? Okay. p of 0 and yeah, we are long n, long w, h1 p1, thus correct p1 p and comma w and w adjacency, long of n comma w, distance of source comma int n, yeah, that's w, www.com. Long max value equal to minus 1 null x comma y, target dot character I, source dot character I, if we continue, if it's not, is not reachable. We are not returning anything. M dot original length 26. We are filling 26 with the long max value. Original dot caret I, M length, right? Changed original I cost. Changed is original length, yeah, M is less than n. Original of I, P of I, change of I, changed cost I, yeah, B comma W I have inserted correctly. Now I've performed the extra and operations. This should have given right answer, but why won't it give me? God damn. Source comma W, distance, we are going to form God damn, I cannot. Array yaar. I cannot even look into that values. It's still giving me wrong. Oh yeah, this I made error here. Let's see. Submit it. Okay, array, we have done today's PO problem of the day with a lot of errors. Complexities log n 26 into e plus log v plus n. Okay. We could have used the results, right? Let's do the other problem also of this. Similar questions are the minimum cost, let's remove this and paste over. Oh, is it same? Let's see. I'm not reading this whole array. I'm just copying my submission here from the. Where is my submission? Submission is here. Copy it. Run it. What? Minimum cost, original cost. String source target, original. String source, string. No, char. Okay, string. We are giving a string char, right? Okay. We are using char array here. Okay. This should be very shit. This is different from the. Okay, I got it. We cannot submit our previous code because the original and the is very much different. Okay, let's end the stream here. I will study the comparator of long values. Why was it giving error? Long dot compare. PRIORITYQUEEU long array PQ A comma B. Let's see the code. Let's comment this. I made here error. Shit. Again. PRIORITY. Huh. QUEV. And what is the error? I don't see any difference. Why I'm so noob? Let me. Okay, let's end the stream.